James Kaufman, World News Report today, January 16th, 2025. God bless you and yours, no matter where you are in the world. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, ring that bell for critical future updates. Governor DeSantis picks Florida Attorney General Ashley Moody to replace Marco Rubio in Senate. Governor Ron DeSantis announced on Thursday that he was picking Ashley Moody, the Florida Attorney General, to replace Marco Rubio in the U.S. Senate. Senator Rubio was chosen by President Donald Trump to lead the State Department during his second term in office. Moody, 49, has served as Florida's Attorney General since 2019 and will likely be a trusted conservative in the Senate. According to Florida law, vacant Senate seats are filled by the governor, who appoints a replacement to serve until the next statewide election. With DeSantis' appointment of Moody is expected to occupy the seat until a special election takes place in 2026.
So why today I'm proud to announce that I'm selecting our Attorney General, Ashley Moody, to serve as our next U.S. Senator. So many of you know her. She's obviously been on the ballot twice statewide and won big victories. She's honorably served our people as her time as Attorney General over these last 6 years. She's a fifth-generation native of Plant City, Florida, in the Tampa Bay area, and even...
Now, ladies and gentlemen, we can pick that back up at Florida's Voice, but their audio is very lacking. I will try to put my mic a little closer to it. DeSantis, Ashley Moody, the Attorney General, took on Jack Smith. Well, I'll let him say it.
He has stood strong time and time again. Most recently in this past year, filing lawsuits and joining lawsuits to take on the weaponization of law enforcement that targeted then candidate Donald Trump. She took on Jack Smith for his politically motivated persecution of the former president, fought back against the rogue Attorney General of New York for her politicizing justice, led the Florida investigation into the second Trump assassination attempt in Palm Beach, even as the federal government continues to try to block her efforts. She's been a national leader in fighting the Biden administration on many different fronts, including on immigration. She's not only filed more than a dozen separate lawsuits, but she's actually won against Biden with his reckless border policies. She's demanded appropriately the impeachment of Alexander Mayorkas and the designation of Mexican drug cartels as foreign terrorist organizations. In her role as AG, she has stood strong for law and order. She believes in putting criminals in jail, not releasing them back onto the street where they will offend again. She does not support soft on crime leftist prosecutor.
So I like this pick a ton for U.S. Senator Ashley Moody. Let that ring off your tongue and get used to it, because that's a fact, Jack. Great pick by Governor Ron DeSantis. Thank you again, Ron, for your service. Please share, subscribe, and always remember that anything's possible. Bizarro world.